Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, first one, let's open character composition and let's make little rig with Duik Angela. First select this hand layer, go to solo and go to puppet pin. Let's add one puppet here, one here and one here. Click session tool, then close settings and go to FX control, select this puppet, go to window and open Duik Angela. Okay, then go to here, click this icon and select puppets, click add pins, click ignore. Okay, nice, we have 3 pins and let's select this puppet pin 3, link to puppet pin 2, select puppet pin 2, link to puppet pin 1 and select puppet pin 1, let's link to body and select these 3 puppets, go to kinematics, click here, select I key. Okay, our rig is ready, let's select controller. Nice, very good. So let's unsolo layers and let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's close Duik Angel and select this card. Let's link to controller. Select controller, let's see. Okay, very nice. And select this hand layer, hand right, also link to card, select controller. Okay, very good. So in this time select these puppet pins, let's hide layers. Click toggle switch mode, click this icon and click this icon for hide all layers. So select controller and go to icon, let's change size. Okay, nice. So let's select this head, link to body and select this hair, let's link to head and select this hair back, link to head and select head, go to solo, let's click this icon for see background and select pan behind, move the anchor point down, let's unsolo. Let's move to here, anchor point. Let's press R. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this body, go to solo, and move the anchor point down, click session tool, and unsolo. Press R. Okay, very good. So right now, let's back to main composition and select this coin layer. Let's move to here and press P, make new passing keyframe, go to 1 second and move to left here. Then select keyframes, make easies and let's see. Nice, and go to here. Right now let's move to up and change graphs like this and this graph. Let's say again. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor and let's make graphs like this. Okay, that's good. So back to keyframes and in this time hold shift press S, make scale keyframe and go to last keyframe, change scale 0 and make scale keyframes easies. Let's see. Nice. Let's select scale keyframes, move to left a little bit. Okay, very good. So let's go to here and hold shift press R, open rotation, make rotation keyframe and go to here. Right now let's change 50 rotation and move to right. Let's see. Let's move to left a little bit. Nice. Let's make rotation keyframes easies or click F9. Nice. Let's close settings and let's select the coin, move to right and select this layer, payment. And let's see. Okay, we have two payments. This is payment shadow. Let's say payment 2, link to payment. And for close this part, click toggle switch nodes. So after link payment to payment, select payment layer and press P. Let's move it down. Okay, go to here, make new passing keyframe and go to some keyframes. Let's move it up. And select keyframes, make easy ease. Go to graph editor. Let's make graph like this. Okay, and like this. Back to keyframes. Okay, and this time select this post layer. Let's Control D. Move it up. And let's zoom to here. Select this pen tool. Let's make mask like this. Click selection tool. Let's see. Okay, nice. Select this post tool. Let's move to left this point. Nice. So right now let's select this coin layer and after payment animation, let's move to left this coin. And let's select this coin, Control D, move to right. Again Control D, move to right, and again. Let's see. Okay, very good. So in this time, let's go to here and let's see timing. Back to character and select this body. Let's make rotation keyframe, chain rotation -2, and go to some keyframes. Let's change 3. Select keyframes, make easies, and select keyframes, move to right. Let's see. Let's move right a little bit and go to here. Hold shift, press P, make new passing keyframe, go to center. Let's move it down a little bit for bones animation. Go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste. Make keyframes easy. Let's see. Nice. And in this time, select this controller. Let's move to here. Press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to here. Let's move to like this. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, select hand layers, move to right, and move to right this last keyframe. Okay, and in this time select this head layer, press R, make rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, click here, right +10 for go to 10 keyframe, click OK. Chain rotation -6 or -10. Select keyframes, make easies, and go to here. Let's hold shift, press P, make new passing keyframe, go to center, move it down, go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste. For bones animation, select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice, very good. Okay, so let's select these head keyframes, move to right. Let's see. Nice. And back to cashback compensation. Let's see here. Okay, very good. And back to character. Let's make random keyframe animations for dynamic moves. Let's select controller and make new passing keyframe. Go to some keyframes, move to left, and go to here. Make new passing keyframe again. Go to some keyframes, move it down. Let's see. Okay, nice. Back to cashback and let's see here. Okay, that's good. So let's select these coins and let's make animation. Select first coin, go to here and press P. Let's move it up and make new position keyframe. Let's move it up a little bit and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard, and let's move it down like this. Then go to 3 keyframe, 1 2 3, move it up a little bit, go to 3 keyframe, 1 2 3, select this keyframe, copy paste. Select keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Okay, so we have problem with last 3 keyframes. Select these last 3 keyframes, right mouse, keyframe interpolation, change color settings to linear. Click OK. Let's say again. Nice. Then select again keyframes, go to graph editor and let's zoom to here. Let's select this graph and change like this for falling animation. Very good. Back to keyframes, select these all position keyframes, move to right and go to first keyframe, select this coin 1, hold shift, press S, open scale and change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to here, change scale 100. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. So select this coin, hold shift, press R, go to here, make rotation keyframe, change rotation -6 and go to here, change 3 and go to last keyframes, change -3 and here change 1 and last keyframe change 0. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Let's go to solo. Very nice. Let's unsolo. Select these all keyframes, Ctrl C, select other coins, go to first second and Ctrl V for paste. Let's see. Okay. So let's select this coin 2, let's press P, select these all position keyframes and go to last position, move it up here. Then select this coin 3, press P, select all position keyframes again, move it up here. And select coin 4, press P, select all positions, move it up like this. Okay, so let's close settings and select these coin layers, move to right here. Let's do timing. Okay, let's move to right. And in this time, select this coin 2. Let's move to right here, coin 3 and coin 4. Let's see. Okay, very good. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.